We're moving on to a new lesson, and in this one, I'll show you how to properly repair chips with cracks. Complicating the repair process. Important note, this chip's crater is very shallow, only about 1 to 1.5 millimeters in diameter. The chip is now well filled, but some cracks remain visible as dark streaks. To accelerate the process, gently warm the area again with the lighter. We don't touch the actual chip crater, then place a piece of film over it. At all. I believe the client would be extremely satisfied with this result. Want identical results? Follow the techniques precisely and maintain strict comes only with practice. I'll conclude this lesson here. Hope you found it helpful. Today, I didn't focus on injector techniques since we covered them in the previous lesson.